This video is an installation overview for Sinister Diesel's 58-volt FICM upgrade for 2003 to 2007 6-liter Powerstroke trucks. In the box you will find the FICM itself, a instruction manual, a FICM core return form, and everything needed to install this FICM on your truck. To begin this installation, start by draining the cooling system up to the level of the degas bottle. Next, we can start removing the air filter and air intake ducting, along with the MAF sensor and the screw clamps holding on the air ducting to the inlet side of the turbo. After the air ducting is removed, the 3 hose connections to the degas bottle can be removed, along with the 8mm hardware bolting it to the truck. Once the degas bottle is removed, the FICM hardware can be removed. These are going to be 8mm and 10mm nuts, along with the 3 connectors on the back of the FICM. Once the factory unit is removed, the Sinister Diesel 58-volt FICM upgrade can be installed into the truck with the factory 8mm and 10mm hardware. Be sure to fully align the 3 plugs going into the back of the unit and make sure they are fully seated and clipped into the FICM. With the FICM mounting hardware fully tightened, the degas bottle can be reinstalled with its 8mm mounting bolts and 3 tube connections. Then the intake air ducting, MAF sensor, and air filter housing, along with the air filter, can be reinstalled into the truck. Be sure to reinstall the filter minder if your truck is so equipped. Once the air intake system and air filtration system are fully assembled, the cooling system can be filled to factory specifications, and then your truck is ready to go. For more information about performance products, please contact Sinister Diesel on the web or toll free at 833-507-7181. Thank you.